Hi there, guys. How are you doing? Welcome back to Just Sophia. So, guys, today we talk about how you can grow your blog without necessarily having to put in a new content. So, guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development, and just anything to enrich and grow yourself as an individual. If that is the kind of content you're looking for, please just consider subscribing to this channel, okay? Click the notification bell and I promise you will enjoy and you will learn a thing or two from this channel. So guys, I know that sometimes you have written like over 50 pieces of content on your blog, and then maybe you still just can't see the value of your content. Like you can't see it ranking well. You can't find yourself on first page of Google for most of your, or rather number one on Google for most of your keywords. Or sometimes you have you are ranking so well, and then you find yourself that after a Google update, most of your keywords have been pushed to number 3, number 4, number 5. So now those are the people that I'm talking about. This is not for content for a new site. This is a site that has been there for like 3 months, 6 months. You have some content that you can work with. Okay, so I'm going to give you tips. And guys, by the way, everything that I share on this channel is from my own personal experience. You can comment down below and let me know how you do, how you grow your website. The tips, we can all learn from each other. So what I'm sharing is what has worked for me. Maybe you have a different way that you can let us know in the comment section, okay? So now we are going to be using Google Analytics and Google Search Console mostly on this video. And I'm going to open a Google Search Console for one of my websites that I don't mind sharing with you. Because guys, there's one that I can't share my URL with you, and I don't even recommend that anyone should share their URL just like that on a public forum, because you know what, there are bad people out there who can go and copy everything that you have done to their website, and then that is how your lifetime investment will go down the drain. So now the one I'm going to share, I'm not currently working on it. In fact, I'm just waiting to sell it. So let's go. So the first thing that you can do to improve your ranking, even if you're not posting content, guys, is doing interlinking for your old content. Those articles, those blog posts that you did at the beginning, most probably you did them without linking to one another, because now you didn't have enough content to do that. So now you'll go to post. This is on our WordPress. This is the dashboard. So when you go to post, these are all your articles are all listed there. So you can simply select one and then edit. So like this one is blowing in baby's face. By the way, when you check here, you can see clearly that it shows two linking, the one that goes out and the one that comes in. So you have to make sure that each and every one of your blog posts has a link, has an internal link, a link from the same website that is linking to it, and it is also linking outside, of course, in the same website, but now outside to another blog within the website. So now you see this one linking inside is 0. So you can just come here, do an edit, and then also one thing that you need to have on your website is a link whisper. We have the free version, by the way, that you can use to know which pages you can link to. So when I come here, when I click edit and then I come to the end of my blog post, down here I have the link whisper plugin on my website. So this is it. Then when I come down here, you can see that there are some pages that it is leading me to. Like I can link to when do babies stop wearing one I can also link to milk comes out of baby's nose, reasons and tips. So they give you the link, the page to link to, and then they also give you the what do you call it, the exact phrase to link to. You can always change if you feel the phrase is not okay. That is up to you. And then of course you have to look for those that are relevant to you. If you feel that a particular post doesn't go well with your with the particular blog post, then you can just leave it and move on to the next one. So this is the first thing that you can do. So you'll go and do interlinking. Make sure that it has outgoing links and incoming links within the same website. And then, yeah, that's it about interlinking. So that is point number 1. Point number 2. So the next thing we are going to do is to go to our Google Console. By the way, this is a very important tool for every blogger out there. It is what will tell you how your site is doing, how people are getting onto your site and all that. So it can give you insights onto what is happening on your website and then give you a clue on how to go about growing it. So when you come to Google Console, we'll go to pages, specific pages on your website. So let us take an example of this one, this first one, how to poke holes in condoms to get pregnant. So now we want to see exactly how people are reaching your website. We can see that this topic has 9,850 impressions, which means this is good according to the growth of the website. So we click on it and then we come to queries to get the specific queries. So now, how to poke holes in condoms without him knowing. That is the first one. How to poke holes in condoms to get pregnant. That is the second one. But now, impression-wise, this one, how to poke holes in condoms to get pregnant, has the highest number of impressions. So now, guys, you need to make sure you want to make sure that the top queries on Google Console are what shows on your website when they are like on the top. For example, your H1 should reflect one that has the highest number of impressions. So, for example, I had my topic for this query was how to poke holes to get pregnant, or what? Let me go back. How to poke holes in condoms to get pregnant. So that was my H1. But now I can come back and change it to how to poke holes in condoms to get pregnant, because it is the one that has the highest number of impressions. And then again, you can come and try to incorporate these top queries into your blog, and then of course save it. So you can come here, make sure that the top 5 queries, you incorporate them, are in your content. Yeah, so this one, how to poke holes in condoms without him knowing, how to poke holes in condoms to get pregnant, how to poke a hole in a condom, how to poke hole in condoms. So these are the things that you want to make sure that are in your website, because Google is already showing you that these are the queries that people are putting in Google so that they can reach your website. So you want to help them reach you easily by incorporating exactly what they are putting in to Google. I hope I am clear. So now another thing that I want to mention is that of course I have said that you can change the topic. You can also change the date of posting. Now that one, if you have changed a lot of things on your website, you can change the date of posting to put the most current one. Of course, you can put immediately to show the today, even if you posted last year. And then what you'll do after that, you'll go and take it back to, you'll have to request indexing afresh, okay? But now just make sure that you don't interfere with the URL, because now that will mean that the blog post is completely new. Yeah, so don't interfere with the URL. You can change the date, you can change the topic, you can change the subtopics, you can add content, you can add a section on the website. You can also remove one that you think is irrelevant. And by the way, guys, before I forget, make use of this. make use of. I mentioned in my last video that you need to update the keyword everywhere plugin on your computer or laptop, so that it can always be giving you related keywords. So make sure you incorporate these ones. Also make use of this section, related searches, and this one. Where is it? We also have related searches, and then we have people also ask. I think it's always it's normally somewhere here. People always ask. So those are the sections that you'll use to make sure that you are incorporating the right keywords into your content. The third and the last way to make sure that you are ranking high in Google and other search engines without writing new content is to check your Google Analytics, guys. This is also a very important tool, just like Google Console. So now when you come here, this is home, you go to reports, okay? So when you go to reports, you'll go scroll down so that it can give you to it can lead you to this page where you have the top pages of on your blog. So these are the pages that are already doing well on your website. You want to maximize on this one. Yeah, you cannot maximize on something that is not ranking well already. So this is the best way to receive more visitors on your website, is to use what is already ranking. So when you come here, of course, you can click here to have a full list, but now top 10, and then now you want to start improving on these particular pages. Now, for example, you'll go and search how to poke holes in condoms to get pregnant. So you go to Google, how to poke holes to get pregnant, just to see where you are lying. Where you lie. So now, how to poke holes. Yeah, can you imagine I'm number 1 on this keyword? So now those ones that you are number 1, by the way, I would advise that you be careful. Don't edit so much. Actually, what you can do is just to add something if you want to. But now those ones, they are better left alone because they are already doing well. So now you can come and check number 2. Does big bum in pregnancy mean boy or girl? So you come and check again, and then you see if, let's say, for example, that particular keyword or topic is at number 3 on Google. You'll come and check number 1 and 2. But look at them, look at the website, look at the blog post, see what is it that they have done that you can improve on. Is it why is it that they are number 1 and not you? So for example, if it is the pictures, maybe they have 3 pictures, you only had 1. Maybe if it is the quality, you can improve on the quality. Maybe if it is the number of words, maybe it is the depth. Look at their depth, and also you see if it is something that you can improve on. So now you can do those improvements and adjust even the topic and the number of words, and add more photos, and of course the relevant photos, and then save again, update your content, and then see what see how it will rank. So that is number 3. And then again, you'll use related searches also to improve on your blog. Of course, people are always searching for things on Google. So you might find that at the time you were writing this, maybe there were different searches or something like that. So they have improved, or others have been added. So you can always incorporate in your old content so that you can make it rank. Guys, I hope I have helped you with something, and like you have learned something from this video. Those are the 3 things that you can do to your old content to make sure that it is ranking highly on Google without you having to write new content. Of course, writing new content is always advisable. You have to continue pumping your website with new content from time to time. But now there are those days that you just want to improve your results. So that brings us to the end of our today's video, guys. I hope you have learned something. I hope you can implement what I have just discussed, what we have discussed here in your blog journey, and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to comment, like this video, and subscribe, okay? See you in the next video. Bye.